Go for it. Kayla's trying it again. Oh, she did it this time. Ah, I thought you were gonna die. Kind of looking forward to that.
Whee! Oh crap, I'm in a hole.
Yeah.
Yes. That's big. Did you get it out there? Probably in here.
Look how cute Mario is.
No. You should have died.
Probably. I thought you hesitated there. I thought you were rude.
Remember we used to always try to get down like and land in the tube? It was like physically impossible. Watch this, ready?
You want to show me how it's done? I was really hoping it would kill you.
Look, I'm further than you!